So this is the ProverXL 4030. This is a linear rail kit that I designed for it. It fits all the sizes, the upgraded sizes. It's beefy, it uses the 15 size rails. And I designed these linear rail covers. Keep everything nice and clean. And with this kit, you can literally just bolt it on. You don't have to tap anything, drill any holes. Keeps everything in the original place to make it as easy as possible. And I added this really thick aluminum plate to really beef up the machine on top of the upgrade. And I'm going to be releasing the full build video here real soon. Just want to give you guys a little preview of it moving around. Oops, triggered a switch. There we go. There's no binding, no nothing. It's smooth and accurate. Also going to be showing how I made this soundproof enclosure. Everything in here is waterproof. So we got ventilation, intake, air for the machine, exhaust, which goes out the back. Intake, exhaust, lights, and then we got lights for the chamber, and then the secret, it's in there. I'll show it off later in the video. And I also have air for the air blast and lubrication. Yeah, so stay tuned for the video. Almost done.